guys, John, with another video. I hope you guys are having a great day so far. So like this video if you like the video, subscribe for more amazing content soon to be improved. Comment down below what you do next in your opinions video, so I will take your opinions in consideration how to improve my content. So without further ado, let's go on to the video. I missed some clips, so I'm sorry I could not do it or get the clips properly because I was kind of nervous that people watching me film and stuff with a big iPad, so I'm sorry for that. So yeah, continue.
So blurry. So Rosie is Rain. I'm gonna change the name. And let's see, Roxy is Lightning.
Okay. Roxy's this one. Wait, which one is that?
Roxy's the one with tan. That's Kuya's dog. This one is Roxy, is Rain, and this is Lightning.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment, like this video, subscribe for more amazing content. Sorry I can't speak another day. But yeah, so stay tuned for more amazing content. Stay active and stay amazing. See you guys in the next video.